Understanding, in a nutshell, simplifying complex ideas. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore an interesting English phrase that you might have heard or read somewhere. In a nutshell. This phrase is commonly used in both casual and formal conversations, and understanding its meaning and usage can really help you in summarizing complex ideas efficiently. So, let's get into it and unpack the essence of this phrase, in a nutshell. The phrase, in a nutshell, has a fascinating origin that dates back to ancient times. It is believed to have originated from a story where a copy of Homer's Iliad was supposedly small enough to fit inside a nutshell. This tale exemplifies the idea of condensing something substantial into a very small space. Today, when we use the phrase, in a nutshell, we're not talking about physical size but about summarizing information in a very concise way. When someone says, in a nutshell, they mean to give you a very brief explanation or summary of a topic or situation. It's about distilling the essence of a matter into a few short, precise sentences. This phrase is incredibly useful for summarizing lengthy discussions, complex theories, or detailed stories, allowing the listener or reader to grasp the core message quickly and efficiently. Using in a nutshell in your conversations can make your communication clearer and more effective. Here's how you can incorporate it. Before summarizing a complex idea, you can introduce your summary by saying, in a nutshell, the theory suggests. This signals to your listener that a concise explanation is coming. When asked for a brief explanation, if someone asks for a short version of a story or concept, you can start with, well, in a nutshell, and then proceed with your summary. To conclude a detailed discussion, after discussing a topic at length, you can wrap up with, so, in a nutshell, what we're saying is. Let's see some examples of how, in a nutshell, is used in sentences. In a nutshell, the book is about the importance of self-discovery and adventure. The professor explained quantum physics in a nutshell during the lecture. In a nutshell, the meeting was about improving team communication and efficiency. These examples show how the phrase can be used to summarize different kinds of information across various contexts. And that's, in a nutshell, for you. We hope this video helps you understand how to use this phrase to make your summaries more effective and your conversations more engaging. Remember, mastering these small phrases can significantly improve your English communication skills. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more useful tips and explanations. Stay tuned, and happy learning!